polish.
So this is after 4 different grits of sanding or
Yep.
grinding.
You see a glint there?
Yes.
All right, it's going to get better.
Oh, okay. It looks pretty sharp and ready to go there.
Start to the bevel's already shaped. You know,
Okay.
this is what it's going to be finally. We're just polishing scratches out with successfully finer grit belts.
Okay.
Because scratches in the edge translate to jaggedness
Okay.
on the edge.
Okay.
And so we remove linear scratches, we remove the jaggedness out on
Okay.
the business edge.
Okay.
And you know, the smaller the teeth and the jaggedness,
Yeah.
the sharper it's considered. Although, you know, a little bit of tooth could be good for tomatoes. Now I'm going to do this at a slightly more acute angle. Now you can really see the frost. And it'll take a few passes. On each grit. To clean up the marks from the previous grit.
That's how you slice a thin tomato. Nice.
Now I'm going to have to sharpen this lady's knife again.